First of all, Mr. Jesus, the crown of thorns. Not these cells are destroying the sacred flesh of our Saviour. Now they turn on the sacred head and destroy it also with the crown of bitter thorns. Sweet Jesus, we have no idea, Lord, but you suffered his most horrible torture. But we do know that you suffered in atonement for our sins of pride. And so we often say that you beg for the virtue of true humility. That virtue is so necessary that everything we do, unless we do it with humility, is of no value. So we beg for that virtue now in this decade.
Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven.
Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. Lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women, and blessed is the fruit of thy womb, Jesus.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, pray for us sinners, now and at the hour of our death. Amen.
Hail Mary, full of grace, the Lord is with thee. Blessed art thou among women,